So, hello everyone. We're very proud that we're here today to talk about code, clouds, and AI. That's too mainstream for our generation. So, we're going to take a quick look into Salesforce and see how these things working there. And before we start, we just want to take some time and introduce ourselves. My name is Alexandros Andreadis. I'm an assistant manager at Deloitte. I've been working there for the last 5 years. And we've been implementing digital applications for our clients through Salesforce.
And welcome. Hello from me. I am Eleni Tsiolaki. I am a senior consultant at Deloitte. And I met Salesforce 4.5 years ago when I joined Deloitte. I'm really happy to be here, and I'm really happy that we will talk to you for Salesforce.
So we are going to take a quick look at Salesforce 360, so a brief introduction to Salesforce. Then we are going to talk about Salesforce Cloud and Salesforce and the SaaS power. And at the end, we are going to talk about the developer tools on Salesforce and AI on Salesforce, which is named Einstein GPT by Salesforce. So we are going to show you some examples there and how it's working for both developers and our clients.
So let's see what Salesforce is all about. Salesforce is a CRM platform, which means customer relationship management, and it helps businesses sell, service, analyze their data, and in general connect with their customers. So it was first launched in 1999 as a software as a service platform, and after that its success was huge. Last year it was named for the second time in a row as the #1 provider as a CRM worldwide, and it has been used by more than 150,000 companies worldwide. So as I already mentioned, it helps businesses manage their customers and their prospects. It uses cutting-edge CRM features. It is cloud-based, of course. It is trusted and secure, and it allows the integrations with external systems. So, what is the 360 view that we mentioned? The philosophy of Salesforce is simple. Give priority to the customer or prioritize him. So what it does is that it puts the customer at the center, and it enables to the gathering of all the information from all the different departments of a business in order to provide a complete and holistic view for its customer. So what it does, everyone gains a single shared view of the customer at any time, no matter what the department or the part of the business is. For example, the sales, the service, the marketing, the commerce, everything. Now, let's talk about Salesforce Clouds and the software as a service power. So, Salesforce provides some tools, some ready-made solutions for its line of the business. For example, we have the Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Commerce, Marketing, Analytics Cloud, and IoT Cloud. The ones that we're mostly using is, for example, Sales Cloud, that maintains all the information that a business needs in order to sell their products and close deals. Service Cloud that helps businesses for their customer service experience, for example, the call centers. Community Cloud that enables the creation of online communities for their employees, customers, and partners. The Marketing Cloud that can build personalized marketing campaigns for the customers. The Analytics Cloud, which is a very useful tool. It helps businesses to take faster and smarter decisions because they extract insights from the large data volume that they have. And last but not least, the IoT, which helps businesses connect all its data from the Internet of Things with the rest of the Salesforce. Now, we talked about the software as a service. What Salesforce provides actually is that except of the handle of the applications and the data, all the rest are already in-house, in Salesforce House, for example. So when someone uses Salesforce, he doesn't have to worry about the performance, the maintenance, the customization, and the pricing model. For example, the performance, Salesforce is a multi-tenant platform which is running in scalable and cloud infrastructure. So every customer, every user have the same limitation. Then regarding the maintenance, there is no need to do anything from our side. There is no setup. So the moment that you purchase the license, your instance is live. There are 3 releases, major releases every year with new features provided by Salesforce. And this helps also the customization because you can extract and you can build everything outside the box. So you can accept of the standard functionalities that Salesforce provides. You also you can do whatever you want with the customization based on the customer needs. And last but not least, the pricing model. So it is kind of a subscription-based model. You pay for the standard, let's say, functionalities, and after that, you have a cost per license per user, and you can pay for all the extra functionalities that you may need in your platform. Then, let's see what a Salesforce developer can use. So what are the main tools that we're using in our everyday lives? These are the most important and the most common ones. For example, we will see what is the flows, Apex, LWC, and Apex Change. So the Salesforce Flow is a low-code based tool that allows you to build custom automation quickly. Actually, it is a UI that you're just using drag and drop in order to create your solution. You don't have to use any code at all. But in case that you want to build something more complex or you need to write code in general, you're going to use the Apex, which is a Salesforce provided language. It is a strongly typed and object-oriented language, which is likely like a Java, let's say. And with Apex, you are going to create triggers, controllers, asynchronous processing, and the integrations with the external systems that you want. For the ones that love front-end development, there is the LWC, which stands for Lightning Web Components. So it is the programming model to develop Lightning components. It's a UI framework, and you're going to use HTML and modern JavaScript for that one. And last but not least, there is the Apex Change. You can imagine it as the App Store or Play Store. So it is an online marketplace for Salesforce where you can find already built solutions from someone else. Some of them are totally free, and some of them you will have to pay for the license in order to download and use the package that you want.
So now let's talk about AI. So Salesforce named their AI Einstein GPT, and it's let's say an AI that is working, that it produces, let's say, some stuff for marketing, for sales, for service, and also it helps the developers write their code faster and also test their code. And we have also Einstein GPT for Tableau and Slack. So let me show you some examples. This is an example of the use of Einstein GPT for the developers. Basically, Salesforce built an extension for VS Code, which is the IDE that we use for Salesforce developments. And basically, you can write a prompt to the extension, and this is going to write a block of code for you and create also the Apex class for you, providing also a brief preview in the comments of what this class is going to do. Also, you can ask Einstein GPT to write the test class, because on Salesforce, in order to test out our code, we are writing test class. You can ask Einstein GPT to write some piece of code in order to test your Apex class. And this is a starting point, let's say, for the developer to start validating and checking that the tests are complete successfully. For example, we have to add some assertions to see that the expected result is correct. Then we have also Einstein GPT for sales. So now we are going on the customer side, and we have an agent, let's say, that he wants to talk with a contact that is their customer, and he wants to compose an email. He can open the Einstein GPT email composer and ask the Einstein GPT to write an email to their customer by specifying if he wants to include Salesforce data or not. In this way, if we want to use Salesforce data, the CRM data, we are going to have a look and see if our customer has an availability on his scheduling in order to send an invitation for a meeting. Or if we don't use the CRM data, we don't have a greeting message, or we just have a plain text that we need to gather information from our customer. Of course, before you send the email, you can adjust your message, you can edit it, and then send it. We have it also for service. The Service Cloud basically is a live chat, or sometimes can be a CPI. Basically, when the customer talks to an agent, the Einstein replies is going to basically construct a reply to your customer, depending on, for example, here, customer asks about information about the jacket. So Einstein is going to look at the CRM data, and it's going to take some information about this jacket. It's going to construct the reply, and it's going to let the agent to adjust this message and send it back to the customer. Sorry. We can use also private or public data to compose these messages by selecting an option down here, where we can say to the Einstein GPT that we want to use external data other than those that we have already on Salesforce. Then we have it also for marketing. Basically, we have the Einstein Assistant here, which says that, for example, we want to prepare a newsletter and send out to other people, to our customers, about a VIP opening of our store. And we want to write a campaign message. We want to add a background. We want to construct a landing page in a way that we will also ask for a sign-up form, and then we will publish it and we will send it to our customers in order to sign up for our event. We have also Einstein GPT for Tableau. Salesforce bought Tableau about 1.5 years ago, and basically you can ask Tableau to export a summary, a little summary of the profit of a product line on your company. So in this example, we can see that basically it says that the Summit collection has the worst profit, and the Summer collection had performed well. Also, we have Einstein GPT for Slack. Basically, in the past, Slack also bought from Salesforce, and Salesforce, together with OpenAI, built the ChatGPT for Slack app. And it helps basically people that are working on a project to search across channels and get updated about, let's say that they want to get a recap and understand what they have to do in the next days, and also get a recap of other channel discussions from other departments. So customers can save about 97 minutes per week using ChatGPT on Slack. So that's all about Salesforce and its AI. If you have any questions, you can raise your hand. Any questions?
So very quickly, any questions? I forgot to mention at the beginning that it's short 15-minute presentations. If there are no questions, you can meet all our guests later on during networking. Will you guys be here until the end of the day?
For the next 2 hours, for sure.
Awesome. Thank you both very much.
Thank